Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about marketing with videos on WhatsApp. People love watching videos rather than reading an article that could bore their minds. People nowadays have a short attention span. They want to be entertained. Making short videos that could send your message through a short moving picture would increase your chances of getting people to watch your video, engage with you, and even share that video with their friends. In all social media platforms, video marketing is the best way to promote your products or services. It's also the easiest way to capture your audience's attention, as they give their time to watching your video and even attract them as your potential customers. On WhatsApp, you can create viral videos that are less than 100 MB in file size and about 30 seconds to 90 seconds long. The shorter your video, the lesser time people will stay and watch your video and deliver your message in a few seconds. People love stories, so if you want to create viral videos, having 30 to 90 seconds long videos that are funny videos or videos that will touch your heart, it's not impossible to have tons of views with an overwhelming number of shares. Once you have a viral video, you can share it in groups that you are a part of, and remember that you must have permission to share that video or you'll risk getting kicked out of the group. You can also set them up in your status. People will be able to click on your status and view that viral video that you shared in your status. You can easily upload it under My Status. Just upload the video and then submit it as your status. And you'll be surprised how many views you can get from uploading that viral video on your status. In addition, you can even send that promotional video directly to people who could be one of your leads. Just click the message icon, then choose your lead, and click this icon and choose gallery, then upload the video. You can add captions, text, and stickers, then click send. Doing this will build your trust with your leads and convert them into customers. That is how easy you can market with videos on WhatsApp. We can now proceed to the next topic, how to build your WhatsApp list. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to build your WhatsApp list. Let's get started. Building your WhatsApp list is different from building your Facebook followers. On Facebook, you do have a Facebook page where your potential customers can like your page and you can post your promotions there. On WhatsApp, all you have are the features of a messenger. You need to know the mobile number of your contact, and your contact must add you to their WhatsApp contact list for them to receive more of your offers. When you have a physical store, you can have potential customers coming in every day in your store. They might be looking for the products that you are selling or the services that they could avail from your business. If they walk into your store, you can talk to them about what they want or need. Build rapport with your potential customers. They might open up with you about what their problems are, and your products and services could give the solution to their problem. As you've gained their trust, you can then try offering them discount coupons or vouchers. Make them understand the benefits of getting exclusive discounts by getting their contact number so that you can add them up to your WhatsApp contacts list. In addition, you can also give them your business card, including your WhatsApp business number. So before you add them, they might already add you up in their WhatsApp contacts list. If they haven't added you up yet, you can be the first one to add them. This would be your first time messaging them, so introduce yourself, that you're from this business or store, telling them your name and inviting them so that they can add you up on their WhatsApp contacts list. Once they have already added you up on their list, you can add them to your broadcast list. Then if you're sending discount coupons via your broadcast list, your new contact will be receiving your broadcast message, including the discount coupons that you can offer, and they can use it right away. People love discounts, so adding them up to your WhatsApp contacts list and giving them the privilege for exclusive offers will make them feel grateful for your offer. Use your social media channels. If you have a Facebook page, an Instagram business account, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and you have built your followers, you can share your WhatsApp number on your posts so that you can let your followers know that they can reach you via your WhatsApp mobile number, and you can make use of the WhatsApp features that would benefit your business. If you do have an email newsletter, you can send an email to your subscribers to invite them and join your new WhatsApp newsletter to get updated with the latest news, updates, and promos of your business. Now that you have learned about how to build your WhatsApp list,
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.